Let's imagine a world where buildings are more than just structures. They're living, breathing entities that adapt and evolve, where technology doesn't just support, but transforms the very essence of how we manage facilities. This isn't a distant dream, it's the reality being brought forward through the discipline of facilities management, which is being shaped by disruptive forces. We look at the trends that have begun disrupting and defining the future of facilities management. Before we delve deep, let's understand how these trends can benefit you and your business. By staying updated, you can remain competitive, optimize your operations, and ensure safety and sustainability. Modern facility management models are now making business sustainability a core aspect, as it can help the business achieve their zero-emission targets. Digital twin is the next revolutionary step in facilities visualization and management, which is poised to seamlessly streamline operations. The Internet of Things is unlocking new avenues for innovation, integrating processes, and making rapid real-time decision-making possible. Being prepared for unprecedented disasters ensures safety and business continuity. Equipping the facility management function with readiness to respond with unprecedented events is becoming ever critical. Automation is being democratized to tackle productivity constraints, which is why leaders in the space are identifying areas where automation can bring a turnaround. The shift towards data-driven ecosystems is resulting in the leveraging of data for optimal decision-making. Tech-savvy facility managers are thus relying on the combo of IoT and analytics systems. Integrated facilities management is streamlining operations for enhanced efficiency. By bringing vendors under one umbrella, facility managers are creating a unified mechanism for optimizing vendor management efforts. New era of maintenance has emerged with Maintenance 4.0 that has introduced modern techniques to traditional practices. Facility management is one of the leading industries in its adoption, with data extending its impact on regulatory matters. The focus on making operations transparent for fostering trust and clarity has become the prime motive. The world has gone mobile, and the impact is clearly visible in facility management, where mobile-based strategies are improving accessibility. The talk around health and safety practices at global level has been gaining ground, and so safety management is taking center stage in facility management. Want to transform your facility operations? Schedule a demo now.